Hey everyone, so here is an app called Me Plus Daily Routine Planner. Let's just go through this app and let's just explore it and get a more organized life and stay disciplined, structure your day and make goals achievable. Millions of happiness seekers, you can see here some reviews. And then here's just an onboarding process, how you can create an account and how you can get started with this app. So let's just go through it together. Hi, tell us about you. How long do you usually sleep at night? So you can just select this. How long do you usually need to get up from bed? Just depends. How do you feel the energy? So here you can see. And then build good habits based on behavioral science, motivation control, a good direction system, energy system can do that. How do you want yourself to be for a better life? What influenced you to become organized? And then, for example, you can see before an organized day, unfinished goals, bad habits, anxiety and depression, and why other people's life. After structured day, goals achieved, healthy habits, mindfulness, brand new life. So here you just have that. How easy are you to distract? Easily distracted, sometimes lose focus, rarely lose focus. So you can just see it like this. Do you often procrastinate? I easily keep up. I procrastinate from time to time. So then you can see this app just creates to create your personal journey. So it's quite interesting app. Where you can discover it. And then I guess it will just offer me some upgrade functionality to upgrade here. And then of course there is 7-day free trial. And what is that? So 12 months, 7-day free trial, but $39.99 per year. You can also select 1 month and instantly you need to upgrade or popular 3 months. So here you have that. But I just want to start over with the free option. You can also just start with the free option. It's good because sometimes you can start like that. So here's your routine. You can just add some good habits. You can add some early morning time. You can set, for example, okay, I want to do some morning yoga. I want to repeat it any time of one morning, for example, tag, and then I just want to add it. And then this habit is being added. Then I want to add like healthy breakfast, repeat when in the morning. I'm just doing it here. So coffee, brush teeth, and then just add it. So that's basically the idea. And then, for example, in this morning, I have these 3 habits. So I had like a breakfast, brushed my teeth. I didn't do yoga, for example. And then that's what you can do. Then you have like these templates already, which you can add to your routine. Change these, clean fan, sweep, vacuum floors, change, and then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, and then you can just continue to do that. Then there is library. You can use customizable widget to personalize your home screen and lock screen. So you can add a widget, which is pretty cool. So you can just do it here. Then there is your profile, which you can add, and you can just go through your profile. Basically, you just see all of the activities, I think, in the one day. You can see perfect days, you can see best streaks where you did, I guess, all the activities during that day, habit done total, overall rate 66%, monthly rate. So basically you just add all of these routines to your day, and it's like in a calendar. So you can think about it. There is your work calendar where you have all your meetings and all of that, and this is just like your routine calendar where you're adding all your routines and all of the daily activities in one place. So you can also do that, and then just following them by checking them off, by completing them. Actually, you can structure and organize your life really well. Like, it can seem like a super simple thing to do, but actually it might work. So try that. And this app is just like a helpful routine calendar to organize your everyday life. Then you also have some different sections. You have motivation, you have healthy foods, just some cards here which you can see, some easy workouts. A lot of this stuff is just locked, so you will need to upgrade. But sometimes even you can rotate here and then just get some nice deals. And these apps really want you to upgrade to the yearly deal, and as you can see, yay, I won a jackpot. So yeah, basically, if you really want to try out this app, they will offer you a lot of discounts to try out. So yeah, you can just try it out. And then yeah, there is self-care, like a lot of these things. But the whole idea of it is that it's just about organizing your daily routine. Super simple idea. You have this calendar, and then you just add in all of these activities into your calendar. And that's how it works. And then if you need help with some activity, you added meditations. There are meditation classes here. You added yoga. There is some yoga content. You added exercise. There are some exercises in the app which you can try out. And yeah, you can just go through all of these good habits and select those like that. And it can be really helpful for you, and it's really a nice idea to try out this app, definitely. So that's basically what it is. You can always leave some feedback. The idea of the app is super simple, but as you can see, it's kind of quite powerful, and that's what it is. Hope that is helpful. Just a quick overview to try out this app.